Good afternoon, friends. How do I even begin to thank the highly motivated, mentally empowered, education revolutionaries that have spoken in the just concluded plenary session 5. Session chair, past international director Sudarshan Agarwal ji is an institution in himself. His Himjyoti school in Dehradun for underprivileged girls takes in unpolished stones and shapes these girls into valuable gems. Thank you very much for addressing us here. Squadron leader Praveen Bhatia, being an aviator, knows the subtle nuances of maneuvering in the skies and in the minds of people. The vast expanse to try sorties is the same, nudge and stimulate and thereby accomplish daring feats. Your concept of converting knowledge into wisdom will surely go a long way in eradicating illiteracy from South Asia. Mr. Nirmal Parekh spoke extensively on the need of new techniques of teacher training and the role of Rotary made in shaping his life. Teacher training is an important part for an educator to guide and stimulate and teach aspiring students to know how to use the tools in hand and be ready to change and adapt. Past Governor Devang Thakur from 3060 spoke on Rotary's role in teacher support, which is the main thrust area and the first rung of our TEACH program. Mr. Harsh Srivastav shared with us new concepts of financial literacy, literacy on government schemes, digital literacy, health literacy, and business literacy. Thank you very much for opening new vistas of information and new challenges for us. The stigma of the Angutha Chap always takes for a ride due to his inability to read and write even rudimentary alphabets needs to be eradicated, just as Rotary has been successful in eradicating polio. Past Governor Tikku from District 302 had to leave because he had a 2 o'clock flight. Spoke extensively about how Rotary can make difference in the area of adult literacy. And thank you, past President Madhav, for demonstrating a Rota slate, which would surely open up new vista of opportunities in this field. And past Governor Larry Sundaram, in a very quick way, from District USA, District 5060, shared with us how to use TRF funds to support projects on literacy. TRF friends we all know bring multiplier to our efforts, our limited resources. It brings to us expert knowledge and best technological resources from all over the world available to carry projects to make impossible possible. Friends, when we are talking about illiteracy and literacy, definitely I would like you to go back to your childhood. बचपन में हम सब एक खेल खेला करते थे, चिड़िया उड़, तोता उड़, हम सब ने खेला, मैंने और आपने भी जरूर खेला होगा. And with these words, I can say, with Rotary's effort, we can say illiteracy 4 by 2017. And before I invite chairman of the session, past Director Sudarshan Agarwal, to present mementos to our learned speakers, the first one goes for Mr. Praveen Bhatia in recognition of his valuable contribution, and we commit to undertake drinking water facilities in 5 schools in his honor. For Mr. Praveen Bhatia. Can we have a bigger round of applause, please? And the next one goes for Mr. Nirmal Parekh in recognition of his valuable contribution, and we commit to undertake toilets in 5 schools. Thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts. And on behalf of Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit, we express our sincere thanks for participation of Mr. Harsh Srivastav here. And in recognition of his valuable contribution, we commit to undertake to provide benches for all students in 1 school. And now I would request Sudarshanji to provide a book as a memento, as a token of our appreciation for past Governor Devang Thakur, and another book for past Governor Larry Subramanian.
Friends, We come to the end of this session, but we carry on straight to the final session, closing session.